Hey everybody, I'm just making sure all the streams are up. This is my first time on Twitch. I'm on YouTube, live coding, and Twitch. Cool. Today is Sunday, and there's a big Pens game tonight, 6 p.m. And I was thinking about doing a Pittsburgh Penguins logo. You can see I was Googling these. And I think I got to work myself up to this one. Big Pens fan from Pittsburgh. I could probably do, where is it? It's like the older logo. It's like easier. Yeah, no, where is it? Well, anyways, I decided it's way too hard. Here it is. I was going to do this one. But it's probably a little too hard for me to do it right now. So instead, I know it's not football season, but there's a Pittsburgh Steelers, which is a little easier. And since it's a Pittsburgh day, I think I'm going to do this one. Here's one against the Patriots. It's pretty funny. Yeah, I don't know. Something like this. Looks good to me. Cool. I don't know what font this is. We'll figure it out. Let's do that one. Sound good to everybody? Yeah, let's do it. So, happy Pittsburgh Day. My computer's struggling today, for sure. There we go. Okay, so this is going to be Steelers logo. Maybe Pittsburgh Steelers logo. Great. I guess the background will be yellow. Oh, not this one. It's a beautiful yellow. All right, here we go. So I guess we'll make the logo, and the logo will be that circle. I'm going to call it ring, because it's only part of the logo. And this is all pretty typical. We're going to just put this in the middle of the screen. So that'll be absolutely positioned with an auto margin, and then pin everything to 0 top, 0 right, 0 bottom, 0 left, 0. And then I need to give it a height and a width. How big is this thing? I don't know. Who knows? 350. With 350. And the background color is, what is it, white? Yep. And we need to make it a circle. And that can be done by setting all of the border radiuses to exactly 50%. Cool, we got a circle. And now this needs a radius of, it's like a black, what do you think it is, 20 pixels maybe? Oh, not a radius, a border. Border, 20 pixels, solid black. Maybe even more than that, 25. Yeah, that looks good. What does 30 look like? Great, that was easy. So, inside the ring, what if I just write Steelers here? What happens there? Steelers. Right. That'll be up there. I guess the other thing I could do oh, let's just make another element for now. So I need a container for my text. So this is the team, and the team is Steelers. And this will also be absolutely positioned. So I'm going to just take all this out and put it up here. So the ring and the team are going to both have, they're going to share some styles, which is all this junk. And we'll worry about the semantics later. Oh, it wants to position this absolutely. I need a height and a width. Like I could do this. It looks weird, but that should move. Yeah. So it's a little odd, right? But that's pretty much in the center. I guess I could also make it a pseudo element of ring. That would be cool. I guess it's fine for now, and then we'll just move it over to the left. So like, I'll move it over 100 pixels, like way more, 200, 300, 280. Line height. Oh, Canap says light. Oh, that's a good idea. So if I say, oh, interesting. So if I give it a font size, will that also work? So 45 pixels. And then a line height. 45 pixels, will that move it? No, it doesn't. I still think I need to give it a height and a width to absolutely position it. Which is a little odd, it's kind of a hack. Or Flexbox. I could use Flexbox, that would be cool. What did I have this before? 270. What? Didn't I have? Okay, well, let's find out. So we're just kind of moving this over a little bit. All right, that works. What font is this? I don't know, some bold. Let's Google it. Steelers font name. I've already Googled this once. Be right back in 40 minutes. Thanks, Canap. Okay, sounds good. Canap is talking to us on Live EDU. You guys should all get on there. There's some cool stuff. Cool people streaming on that. NFL talk. What's the font used by the Pittsburgh Steelers logo? Let's find out. Pittsburgh Steelers logo font, or Helvetica Bold Condensed. Okay. I'm using WebKit. Let's find out. What does this look like? So that. Yeah, that works. It's close enough for now. Cool. So now I need to do these stars. In a previous video that I made these stars out of like Unicode characters. They're probably not going to look exactly the same, but let's do that. Yeah, maybe later I can, you know, it's really just a square with like inset or like negative radius. But I think I'm going to do that. What is that? Unicode star. And there's two types. Oh, look at that. Black star, white star. There's two types of these. One with a star. One that's always white in the inside and has a border that you can change, and one that's like a solid color that you can change all the colors. Yeah, something like this. Boom. Okay. So come on, where's my mouse? There we go. I'm going to do *1. Put that there. And look at that. So I get one. So let's get a color here. It's like yellow. Oh, it's the same color as the background. That's cool. So color is that. And you won't be able to see it anymore. So then let's make it green for now. And can I move this over? Yep, I can. So the font size is like, I don't know, like, oh gosh, huge. 200 maybe? Let's see how that goes. Okay. Actually, left 100 is pretty good, and then I'll move it up. Where do these go? These like all meet in the middle. So this guy needs to meet in the middle. Maybe I can make this bigger. That's cool. And now I can move this over. That looks about centered. So this isn't the exact shape I want. It's close, but it's not really exact. But that'll be fine for now. So we'll put this color right back. So that's the yellow one. So let's do that again. This time *2. This is fire engine red. I kind of want to call this like top, so don't get confused. So star top is that. Then I want a star right, and that color is this. And we can take all these and just kind of move it. So it needs to go way down, maybe. Cool, and then like way over. That works. And then let's get the blue color. So this would be star bottom. Put this down here for a sec. Great. This is actually relatively straightforward. I'm kind of cheating with these Unicode stars, but CSS doesn't have to be hard. So the star top had a left of 90, so this also will have a left of 90. And then I'll just move down. So they'll kind of touch. They all kind of touching. This one needs to go over just a tad. Well, that's not awful. These are kind of fat, but that's kind of the Steelers logo. Fairly straightforward. These aren't totally lined up. Maybe we'll make these. What happens if I do this? It's a little bigger, and I'll move it up a little bit. Just kind of tweaking these at a font size of 225. Cool. All right, let's make them twinkle or something. Now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want to make all the stars just a little smaller, like this. Let's... So I don't have to keep messing with them. I'll just make a star class. And we'll just fiddle with this. So 215, and we'll just take all these off. But then this isn't going to hit the bottom. But I kind of like that a little better. Well, no, I don't. Okay, we'll make them twinkle. So maybe we'll make them move, you know? So for that, I just need a keyframes animation, and I get to give it a name, twinkle. And this thing, as I've explained in other videos, takes like a hash map with some extra properties, but it's just a bunch of keys and values. Keys are the percentage of the animation. So at 0%, or basically the 0th millisecond or 0th keyframe, or when it's 0% done with the keyframe, it's going to apply this animation. But it's kind of neat. I can also say, and also at the 100, so at the beginning, at the end of the animation, I can say that the font size is that. Is that what I left it on? Yeah. And then halfway through the animation, so at 50%, maybe we'll make it smaller. Okay, and then I can just say animation. Oh, actually, I'll put this on this. No, I won't. I'm going to put this on all three so I can change them a little bit. Animation twinkle, and do that for 1 second, and then do it forever. Infinite twinkle. Cool. But I don't want it to move to the left, so let's say like margin left like 5 pixels. Oh, that's close. 3, 4. And then 1 second's kind of long. Maybe, or sorry, it's kind of short. We'll make it longer. Neat. Okay, so I'll add this here and here. And the reason I'm not adding it to my star class is I want them to blink at different times. So this 3 and maybe 7. There you go. I think that's my Steelers logo. It's goofy looking, but it works. It's close to this. Definitely not perfect. I think we could have done a little more to get these shapes just right. Do you want to animate the text too? That'd be kind of fun. So let's see here. Can I give this a font weight? Does this weight? Will that get bolder? Oh man. What if it's just this color or this font, and then I do it like 800? Does it look the same? Not quite. Okay, what if it's not bold? No. Well, that's a bummer. I was trying to make it maybe bolder and less bold, but this font doesn't allow it. What if... Nope. Okay. That text stays the same. Look at that. Cool. I think I'm relatively happy with this. That was a short stream. It took me 20 minutes to make a Steelers logo. Anything I can add? Calling out to the stream, or asking the stream rather? Anybody? Nobody. All right, cool. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any comments, feedback, questions, please reach out. Probably a comment on this YouTube video. I'd be happy to answer. Go Steelers, go Penguins, go Pittsburgh.